no. Oh no. Oh no. What is happening right now, my dude? Hey everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I've been promising you guys a tutorial using the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and today we're finally getting around to it. Finally. This might be like moderately chit-chatty. Get ready with me. If you like what you see, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let's do it. First I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the original formula. Hey, my light's not on. That's why it's dark. Alright, please. It's like I don't film for a week and then I forget how to function on camera. Is that better? I always watch the Game Grumps while I'm getting ready for the day. So, if you hear any cursing or screaming, that's because the Game Grumps. The Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills has 14 shades, and this time they split it halfway. So there are 7 shimmers and 7 mattes. Some of the mattes, these two in particular, do have some shimmer in them, so they're not flat matte. I've used this a number of times, and I've really liked how it comes out. To start, I'm going to take the shade Base on my JH30 from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush collection. It's just kind of a flat tan white color. Good to just cover up some discoloration, set the primer. Just give us a nice even base to start with. On the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Incense. And I'm just going to start running that in the transition area of my eye. I've never explained what that is on my channel if you don't know. So this is your eyelid, and up here is your brow bone. And this spot where your eye folds, I think it's different for hooded eyes and monolids, but this foldy part, this crease, is called the transition area. Because it helps to transition from the main event of the eyeshadow to the blended out masterpiece. I don't know. Got all my lights on and it seems so dark in here. On the JH35, it's clean. I just wiped off the pigment. It's just stained a little bit. I'm going to take the shade Volatile. I almost put my finger in it. I'm not sure what that's all about. Tapping off the excess. I'm gonna blend that right here into the crease. A little bit tighter. It's my anniversary this weekend. You'll probably be seeing this after my anniversary happens. But I'm pretty excited about it. It's been 2 years of bliss. I mean, obviously, we've had hard times. Not everything is perfect in our life, but I adore Devin. I absolutely adore him. My life is completely different because he's in it, and I'm so happy that he is. I just love him, you know? He's just perfect for me. He has helped me grow and survive when I didn't think I was going to make it at a lot of points. And he is so patient with me. I've gone through a lot of trauma in my life, and it affects our relationship. I mean, how could it not? It affects me, so therefore it affects our relationship. But he is so kind and so patient and understanding. Quite frankly, I don't know what I did to deserve that. I'm no one special. I don't know what I did to deserve that kind of endless love. Next, I'm going to take the shade Passion on the JH34. We're going into Salt Lake for the weekend. There are these hotels in Utah. I don't know if there are other places. There are a few different places in Utah. It's called the Anniversary Inn. And the hotel rooms are like themed. Last year we went to the Twilight themed room. And it was so beautiful. Just beautiful beds and humongous bathtubs. So we went out to dinner and did a little shopping, and then we spent the evening there. and it was really, really, really nice. And I brought my Xbox, and once everyone in the hotel had gone to sleep, the Wi-Fi got really good, and so we played Halo on our anniversary in our hotel. I don't know if we're gonna do that this time, because in the last hotel room it was like a big flat screen, and I'm pretty sure this is one of those old big CRT TVs, you know, like the big fat black ones. That sounds racist. It's not. Well, you know what I'm talking about, those humongous TVs with the big back and like the domed screen. I don't know if we'll have any hookups, but we'll probably take our Switch so we can play games, and maybe a laptop so we can watch a movie, books and games and stuff. That'll be really nice, and I'm really looking forward to just relaxing. It's been stressful, you know? Past couple weeks have just been intense on a lot of levels in my personal life, and with politics. I'm gonna take love. I'm just gonna blend it over the top. I got my hair done yesterday because I wanted it to look super great for my weekend, and we went a little darker with the root and with the main color, and I love it. Oh my gosh, Siobhan did such a good job. So happy with it. Red hair is so hard to maintain, but it's worth it. I really, really like having red hair. Now, eyeshadow never blends the same on this eye. It all just seems to like blend away, and I don't know why. No matter what palette I'm using, it all just kind of blends away. Fall in Utah is so beautiful. Fall in other places is beautiful too, but in Utah, especially when you live in the Salt Lake area, it's just stunning. Because instead of, you know, going for a drive and seeing the leaves around you, you can look in any direction and see the leaves because of the mountains in the area, and it looks like the mountains are on fire in the best way. Some of the mountains in the area are legitimately on fire, which is terrifying and horrible, but it's so beautiful. We get the most beautiful range of colors, and you can see it from everywhere. Okay, so this is coming along just fine. For the lid color, Devin bought me a new monitor, so now I have two. Taking the shade Celestial on the JH41, the flat packing brush that I use almost every video. Yeah, Devin got me a new monitor. It's an ultra-wide monitor. It's huge. So now I have that one, and then I have my regular one, so I can edit and still be watching videos in the background. Or I can do homework and have, you know, it's just nice to have a little bit more screen space. And he bought himself a new one too. This is my anniversary present, I suppose. And so for me giving him an anniversary present, he bought himself a new monitor. And Amazon sent it to us. Mine is fine. Mine came perfectly. And they sent it to us, sent Devin's to us, used, dirty, and non-functioning. So like it had been used by someone, deemed not workable, and sent back, and they sent it out again. Super frustrating. Look at this bright purple. Ah, it's so pretty. I'm just taking Celestial with my finger. I'm gonna take Drama and work that on the outer third of the eye, blending that into our transition shades. And then I want to take Wild Child and press it right in the middle of the lid up. Oh. Oh! at that. Not colors I use a lot, but so pretty. And then I'm gonna blend up into the crease. No harsh lines. We never want harsh lines. Wild Child again with my finger. Going back with Celestial. And for highlight today, we're gonna go kind of crazy purple, ethereal. So we're gonna take this purple from the Soph X. They're kind of dusty, but I'm gonna spray a little bit of Milani Make It. Oh my gosh, right in the fan, all over my pants. Milani Make It Last setting spray, and kind of just press it. Give it a nice wet sheen. Aw, look, I've got red dye on my face. I'm gonna put on my base makeup, and I'll be right back. I think it's time I film an updated foundation routine. So that's what I'll do now, I guess. Okay, my brows are done and set. I'm gonna dust away my under eye powder. So I just did my foundation, concealer, and brows. So let's go back into the Norvina palette. And I don't want to take too much purple under the under eye, but I do want to just have everything blended together well. On the JH34, I'm going to take Incense, just to make sure that we're blended to the outer corner. I'm going to take Passion. I'm going to take Dreamer, right in the inner corner here. Alright, I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. And we're done. On my lips, I put purple lipstick. I use the L'Oreal Color Riche matte lipstick in the shade 709 Matte Gick. I got this for like 20 cents during Ulta's clearance sale, which I'll link up here. And then over the top of that, I put the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This is in Pretty In. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked this purple theme. It clashes horrendously with my hair. That's okay. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I have been promising you guys a tutorial. If you like what you see, be sure and give this. People are running? Why are people running? She seems to be wearing her underwear and running. Or just a very, very small dress. She was getting her dog, I guess. Be careful with your dog. If you're not careful with your dogs, I will climb through this screen and beat your ass.